Schedule video posts of stories and reels for your Instagram with Simplified's easy-to-use content calendar. You can access the content calendar in this left-hand side menu here and then choosing Content Calendar. Once you see this page with an overview of all of your posts, to create a new post, you can either choose this New Post button in the upper right-hand corner, or you can scroll to your desired date and then click this plus icon. Make sure that your Instagram icon is highlighted in the top toolbar, and now either choose Reel or Story for your post. Now we want to upload our media by choosing this plus icon and either browsing from our media library with all of our saved projects, or browsing Simplified's fantastic stock video library. I'm going to choose my project here, make sure I download as a video, and then click Export Now. Now that our video has uploaded, we can choose the thumbnail of the video, which is the portion of the video that will show up when it's not playing. You can select the frame that you want to be your thumbnail by moving this icon across your board and finding your perfect thumbnail. Then go ahead and click Save Thumbnail, and voila! Now we're ready to publish. You can click this drop-down menu and publish now, or you can add it to your queue, or you can schedule it for a future date and time. Once you've selected your desired date and time, go ahead and click Schedule. And there you go! Simplified will do all of the rest of the work for you. To use our content calendar and more, sign up on simplified.com. See you there!